If you're brand new to harmonica, here's something that can save you a lot of time and frustration. I'm playing a Kongsheng Sunrise harmonica in the key of C. Let's talk about what people mean when they say blow and draw. Every hole on the harmonica has two notes. One happens when you blow air out, and one happens when you draw air in or inhale. We tend to call these blowing and drawing. So if I say for blow, what I'm talking about is playing the four hole while blowing out through it. If I say for draw, I mean hole number 4 while breathing in. Once you understand this terminology, it really becomes second nature. It might be a little confusing at first, but this is actually one of the few instruments that you actually play blowing out and drawing in. And it's very important that we specify on each note, are we blowing or drawing, because it's a completely different note. If you've ever watched a harmonica lesson and you hear someone say to draw or for blow, you might have no idea what they're talking about. Let's hear a little example of some of these terms. If I say to play for blow, you're just going to find that number 4 hole, isolate it, and blow through it. What you'll hear me say in all of my lessons all the time, we need to be nice and relaxed. We're holding it relaxed, our whole body is relaxed, everything is relaxed. Now the same thing, if someone said play the 4 draw, you're going to find that 4 hole, you're going to isolate that note, and you're going to inhale through it or draw through it. Let's hear a 2 draw. Now one more, let's do the 6 blow. Almost every harmonica lesson you come across is going to have this numbering system. We pretty much always call them blow and draw. These are the basic terms that are going to get you to start playing, and you're going to be hearing these all the time. Once you understand these basic steps, you'll be able to follow lessons from pretty much any teacher. So just remember, the number tells you which hole to play, blow or draw tells you whether to blow out or whether to draw in. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Click here for the next Harmonica Basics lesson.